The Indian spice turmeric, also known as Curcumin longa, a type of ginger, is a component of curcumin. Curcumin is one of the three curcuminoids, the other two being dexmethoxycurcumin and bis-desmethoxycurcumin found in turmeric. These curcuminoids give their yellow color to turmeric, and curcumin is used as a food colorant and food additive for yellow food. My name is Richard, and I want to welcome you to our channel. We want to say thank you very much if you have been watching our videos. But if this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you won't miss important videos. Curcumin is extracted from the dried turmeric rhizome, a perennial herb that is widely cultivated in South and Southeast Asia. To shape turmeric containing 2% to 5% curcumin, the rhizome or root is processed. Curcumin is a pigment of phytopolyphenol isolated with a range of pharmacological properties from the plant Curcuma longa, widely known as turmeric. Curcumin inhibits the production of reactive oxygen species, has anti-inflammatory properties due to cyclooxygenase inhibition and other inflammatory enzymes, and interfere with the transduction of cell signals through different mechanisms, including protein kinase C inhibition. These effects can play a role in the antineoplastic properties observed by the agent, which include inhibition of the proliferation of tumor cells and suppression of chemically induced carcinogenesis and tumor growth in cancer animal models. Let us discuss the uses of curcumin powder. The most popular applications are as an ingredient in dietary supplements. In cosmetics, it is used as flavoring for foods such as turmeric drinks in South and Southeast Asia, and as coloring for foods such as curry powders, mustards, butters, cheese. Let us discuss the relationship between curcumin and turmeric. Curcumin is a chemical compound occurring naturally in the spice turmeric. On the other hand, turmeric is the root of a plant known scientifically as Curcuma longa, and that's probably where curcumin got its name. In South Asian countries, raw turmeric is sometimes used, while powdered spices are more popular in India. It is washed, cured, and then dried after the turmeric root is harvested. The dried root will later be sold as it is or ground into a fine powder. It is also referred to in India as India saffron, yellow ginger, kashahadi, or yellow root. Turmeric is a great source of curcumin, just as spinach is high in iron and lemons are full of vitamin C. Usually, a turmeric root contains around 2 to 5% of curcumin. Curcumin belongs to a family of chemicals that have a bright yellow hue known as curcuminoids. It is this compound that gives the spice its distinctive color. Back in 1815, curcumin was first described as a compound. There have been many research performed since then to learn more about its skills. It is known that curcumin acts concurrently on several functions and pathways, which is why it has been marketed to treat anything from pain and inflammation to tumor control and brain health promotion. Turmeric is, according to a previous review, a boldly flavored spice derived from the rhizomes or roots of a flowering plant that grows in India and in areas of Southeast Asia. The bright yellow spice is widely used in curry dishes and in Southeast Asian cooking, and it gives a bitter but sweet taste. Turmeric is also known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and as such is used to treat a range of health problems including arthritis, digestive problems, and excessive gas as a complementary therapy. Though turmeric includes many plant compounds, curcumin receives most of the credit for its health benefits. The primary active compound in turmeric is curcumin, which belongs to a group of plants known as curcuminoids. Actually, curcumin is even responsible for the characteristic yellow color of the spice. I hope you are getting quality knowledge of curcumin. Please drop your comments below telling me where you are watching from. And if you are enjoying this video, please like and share so others can benefit from the knowledge. Let us discuss the health, side effects, and disadvantages of curcumin. Curcumin can interact with prescription medicines and dietary supplements as a component of turmeric. In high concentrations, it may be unhealthy for women during pregnancy. Side effects such as nausea, diarrhea, hives, or dizziness may be induced. In cancer patients receiving large doses of curcumin, up to 8 grams per day, for 3 to 4 months, 2 preliminary clinical trials showed no toxicity, although some participants reported mild nausea or diarrhea. Curcuminoid doses of up to 8 grams are not associated with significant adverse effects in humans. Long-term studies that are more comprehensive in their evaluations, however, are needed. Nausea and gastrointestinal symptoms can occur with high doses of curcumin. The various curcumin formulations have not all been tested to the same degree for safety. They have many common benefits. There are medicinal properties of turmeric and curcumin that have many health benefits. Here are some of the places where both turmeric and curcumin, confirmed by evidence, have shown strong benefits. Osteoarthritis. Curcumin-containing plant compounds in turmeric can minimize inflammation markers and thus alleviate the symptoms of osteoarthritis. Obesity. The inflammatory pathway involved in obesity can be inhibited by turmeric and curcumin and can help control body fat. Diabetes. Turmeric and curcumin will boost the metabolism of blood sugar and potentially reduce the effects on your body of diabetes. Liver. A rat study found that by helping to minimize harmful oxidative stress, turmeric extract and curcumin were protective against chronic liver damage. Cancer. While research is still in its early stages, the function of the colon and other cancer cells can be reduced by turmeric and curcumin. Antifungal. Turmeric and curcumin can destroy the membranes of fungal cells and to achieve better results in combination with fungal medication. Antibacterial. The antibacterial effects of turmeric and curcumin are strong. They can reduce the growth of many bacteria that cause disease. Thank you for watching our video that explains curcumin. I hope you learned a lot. If this is your first time watching our video, please subscribe to our channel and watch the other videos on our playlist.